Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a Google account to your Google Pixel smartphone. So a couple of different ways on how to do it, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys just one way of how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen on your Google phone, and then select the settings gear button, and then scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then you want to scroll down again underneath privacy all the way at the bottom where it says more security and privacy and select that. And then go down and select the autofill service from Google tile. And then select the Google account tile that's right underneath the autofill settings. So go ahead and select Google account, add an account, and then you just would sign into your Google account at this point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do it and how to access that page. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.